It's time to bank on life's greatest commodity. Jump on these hottest water stocks to own ahead of a major megawave. Essential Utilities. Essential Utilities delivers strong financial performances. American Water Works. American Water enjoys solid growth. York Water. York Water brings stability to the table. Xylem. Xylem is an undervalued infrastructure play. Consolidated Water. Consolidated Water delivers a strong print in the charts. Veolia Environment. Veolia intrigues for its desalination expertise. NuScale Power. NuScale can power previously unviable endeavors. Let's dive in. Here are the 7 hottest water stocks to own for 2023 and beyond. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Although investors frequently target technological innovators to generate profits in the market, the hottest water stocks to own leverages the power of the world's most precious resource. True, 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, making it appear a common commodity. However, only 0.5% of the Earth's water is drinkable. Just that stat alone provides an immediate sharpening of the concept surrounding the hottest water stocks to own. Further, as the world's population continues to increase, a mathematical conundrum materializes. For decades now, geopolitical experts warned that the wars of tomorrow could be fought over water, not oil. For this discussion, I don't want to get too macabre. However, it's important to lay out the facts and not take this resource or its management for granted. With that in mind, here are the hottest water stocks to own for 2023 and beyond. Number 1. Essential Utilities. An American utility firm, Essential Utilities has stakes in Illinois, Indiana, New Jersey, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Texas, and Virginia. Per its public profile, Essential Utilities provides drinking water and wastewater treatment infrastructure and services. Currently, the company commands a market capitalization of $12.7 billion. On a year-to-date basis, Essential Utilities dipped more than 8%. However, in the trailing month, shares gained 3%. Last month, the company beat top and bottom line estimates for earnings and revenue. Essential delivered earnings per share of 26 cents, beating the consensus target of 23 cents. Further, it posted operating revenue of $435 million, easily exceeding analysts' view of $376 million. To be fair, the financials present somewhat of a mixed narrative. According to Guru Focus proprietary calculations for fair market value, Essential Utilities rates as a modestly undervalued investment. However, the company's balance sheet could use some work, particularly with a lowly Altman Z-score that suggests higher than normal risk of bankruptcy. Still, with strong revenue growth and profit margins, Essential owns the goods to succeed. Therefore, it ranks among the hottest water stocks to own. Number 2. American Water Works. Another public utility firm, American Water Works through its subsidiaries provides water and wastewater services in the U.S. Per its public profile, the company offers water and wastewater services to approximately 1,700 communities in 14 states, serving a population of approximately 14 million through 3.4 million customer connections. Since the start of the year, American Water Works gave up 14% of equity value. However, in the trailing month, shares gained over 8%. As with Essential Utilities mentioned earlier, American Water could use some work in the balance sheet. Again, the Altman Z-score is a bit distracting at 1.32, reflecting higher than normal bankruptcy risk. As well, it features a poor cash-to-debt ratio of only 0.01 times. Still, American Water Works attracts positive attention overall. The company features a moderate buy consensus view. In addition, American Water has a 3-year book growth rate of 7.4%, beating out over 67% of the competition. As well, its return on equity pings at 17.8%, reflecting superior capacity to convert equity financing into profits. Thus, it's well worth consideration among the hottest water stocks to own. Number 4. Xylem. Headquartered Rye Brook, New York, Xylem is a large American water technology provider in public utility, residential, commercial, agricultural, and industrial settings. Per its corporate profile, the company does business in more than 150 countries. Its products and services are focused in 2 areas: water infrastructure and applied water. Since the start of the year, Xylem comes in around 2% below parity. That's a decent performance considering that during the same period, the benchmark equities index is down nearly 17%. However, shares really came alive during the back half of 2022. Specifically, in the trailing 6 months, Xylem gained a whopping 50%. To be fair, such a performance came at a cost. According to Guru Focus, against both its proprietary fair market value calculations and traditional metrics, Xylem rates as overvalued. On the plus side, Xylem's Altman Z-score hits 3.94, reflecting low bankruptcy risk. Also, Xylem is another decent quality enterprise with a return on equity of 10%, making it one of the hottest water stocks. Number 5. Consolidated Water. Based in the Cayman Islands, Consolidated Water is an international water solutions company, supplying potable water, treating water for reuse, and manufacturing and providing water-related products and services. Its customer base covers the Bahamas, the U.S., the British Virgin Islands, along with its home market. If you've ever doubted the pertinence of the hottest water stocks to own for the future, just look at Consolidated Water. Since the January opener, shares exploded higher to the tune of 45%. Better yet, the back half performance is similarly robust, with Consolidated Water gaining nearly 21% in the trailing 6 months. If anything, the one analyst that covers Consolidated Water likes it too, pegging it as a moderate buy. As well, the price target is $20, reflecting a respectable double-digit gain from the time of recording price of $15.58. Per Guru Focus fair market value calculation, Consolidated Water is fairly valued. Investors should check out its balance sheet, particularly its robust cash balance. If you want a long-term idea, Consolidated Water rates as one of the hottest water stocks to own. Number 6. Veolia Environment. Moving into the more speculative realm of the hottest water stocks to own, Veolia Environment may intrigue market gamblers. A French transnational firm, Veolia features activities in 3 main service and utility areas traditionally managed by public authorities: water management, waste management, and energy services. In particular, Veolia may represent a compelling idea because of its expertise in desalination. Per its website, desalination allows converting seawater into a life-sustaining and usable resource. As one of the holy grails at the intersection of science and economics, desalination works. However, getting the process to financially make sense represents another matter altogether. Currently, Veolia Environment shareholders stare at a loss of over 27% in the charts. However, in the trailing month, the stock rebounded, gaining more than 5%. Against forward earnings, Veolia Environment rates as a fairly valued investment. Performance metrics in the balance sheet and income statement run somewhere in the middle of the road. Not great, not terrible. Nevertheless, if you like high-risk wagers, Veolia could be one of the hottest water stocks to own. Number 7. NuScale Power. To be completely upfront with you, NuScale Power is not a direct play among the hottest water stocks. Rather, the company plies its trade in the nuclear power industry. However, NuScale does things differently, specializing in small modular reactors. As the name suggests, small modular reactors occupy a smaller physical footprint and integrates the latest safety protocols. Therefore, these facilities can integrate in areas previously inaccessible for traditional nuclear power plants. What does this have to do with the world's most precious resource? The combination of NuScale's small modular reactors technology and available desalination platforms can make the process of converting ocean water into potable water an economically viable enterprise. Per NuScale's website, a single small modular reactor coupled to a desalination plant can produce 77 million gallons of clean water. To be fair, investors interested in NuScale Power stock should realize that the underlying company presents risks. However, if you're comfortable with market wagers, NuScale is easily one of the hottest water stocks to own. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.